6 hacks to keep motivation going. So you've recently become motivated. Perhaps you heard an excellent speaker or received a stinging dose of sincerity from a friend or family member. However, initial motivation frequently fades. So here are a few ideas to keep it going. 1. Remember the pain points. In sales jargon, pain points are issues that arise when the solution being offered is not implemented. Keep in mind everything that could or will happen if you don't stick to your guns. For example, if you used to be motivated to go running 3 times a week, consider what will happen if you don't give your heart the exercise it requires. 2. Don't play leapfrog. Motivational feelings can sometimes be confused with the desire to find the next high. Instead of hopping from one goal to the next, make sure you finish what you start before getting motivated about something else. For example, if you enjoy languages and have set a goal for yourself to learn French, do so before moving on to German, Italian, or whatever else. 3. Know thyself. When you try to achieve goals that others have set for you, your motivation may dwindle. Examine your goals to ensure they are ones you set for yourself, not goals set by others for you to achieve. If they aren't, you should put them aside and reconsider your course of action. 4. Visualize. Picturing the end result of your goal can help you stay motivated to succeed, and it has some seriously awesome side effects. The positive energy you create around that imagery will affect you subconsciously, while the mental affirmation that you can achieve it will boost your self-confidence and help you stay on track. 5. Let go of stuff beyond your control. When it comes to motivation, it can be easy to give up when things don't go as planned. Learn to let go of things over which you have no control, otherwise, they will sap your motivation to succeed. 6. Get organized. If you want to stay motivated, you must work a little bit to keep the motivation alive, otherwise, it will just slip into the traffic flow of life's feelings that inevitably comes over everyone. Motivation, like happiness, sadness, or anger, will just be another feeling unless you concretize it. Put your goals on the calendar and make a plan of action. So, are you ready to implement these hacks shown in the video? Please tell us about your experience. Encourage us and subscribe to our channel and activate the notifications. Like our video and write any remark or suggestion in the comments section. We will be glad to hear you. Thank you.